Creating an Adobe Spark account is pretty simple. All you need to do is go to spark.adobe.com and you can click the Start Now for Free button in the upper right hand corner. That'll take you to the account login/creation page and choose the option here that says Sign Up for Free. And then here's where you actually enter your information to create your account. I recommend using your district email address. And if you're a grade level where you will want to be sharing accounts, sharing a classroom account for students, create a password that is something that the students could know. So make sure it's not the same as your district password or anything like that. Possibly something like Spark with a capital S, and then your room number would work. It doesn't let you put your name in as your password, so just a heads up there. And then that is something that the students would be able to use your email address and whatever password you used to log in from the device that they're using. There are a couple benefits to sharing a classroom account. That makes it easy for you as the teacher to log into that one account and access all of your students' projects in one place. It also means that students can use one device one day to access and begin their project, and then pick up a different device the next day and have access to their same device. So that would be handy in a classroom that has shared iPads, for example. In the secondary realm, where students are 13 and older, you may want to have students creating their own Spark Adobe ID accounts, so they have access to just their own stuff, and they would be able to do everything that way without sharing accounts. So it's more or less up to you. But I recommend sharing accounts if you're in that kind of shared environment. It makes things pretty simple. So this is pretty straightforward. Just fill out the information and then say sign up. And then from then on, you can log into the app with that Adobe ID. Just remember that email address and the password. Or you can go to that spark.adobe.com. Let me show you that one more time. When you click the, let's see where it says. Instead of saying Start Now for Free, if you have the account created, you can just say Log In, and you can use the account information that you just created to log in. You could click down here where it says Already Have an Adobe ID, Log In Now. And that will take you directly to the login page where you can sign in and access your projects.